Hey everybody, today we got the 06 to 07 ZX10R shock, and we're going to put this on the SV650 hopefully, if I can get it to fit. Alright, let's get started. Alright, it is out. You can see that they're pretty much the same length. And I'm getting a little more worried that this thing isn't going to fit, because that's a pretty big difference there in size. Yeah, so it does not fit. So this is going to be interesting. This is where it gets a little more difficult. I got it in. It's taking up space, but there's no way it can fit with the ABS module where it was. I've had to disconnect the ABS module so that I can get some more room out of it. I've had to remove the bracket for the ABS module as well. So we're still fighting with it. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna relocate this ABS module so that it doesn't look completely butchered and it's not gonna interfere with anything. I'm probably gonna end up making new brackets for it and then stretching this harness to fit wherever it ends up going. I think I got it figured out here. So I got it fitted. I took the bracket out. I cut pretty well everything off of it, off the mount. Sandblasted it, sanded it all down. And I think it's gonna sit right there. I don't think that the factory plastic's gonna fit there anymore, so I might draw one up and 3D print one that'll fit custom. But everything's gonna clear, it looks like. So just tack that up, take it out, and then see how it looks. I got this bracket modified and powder coated. Now the splash shield, I had to cut some pieces out of the splash shield in order to get it to fit, but it should go all back together pretty nicely. Here we have the end result. The splash shield is installed. Had to do some trimming to get it to fit, but that's okay. A little bit of trimming up there to make room for the line, but that is okay. That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I think that all that effort was well worth the result. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's going to function really well. I got a spring in the rear that now suits my weight more effectively, and it's fully adjustable damping for compression and rebound. So if I ever need to make an adjustment, it's just a few screwdriver adjustments away. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like the video. Make sure to share and subscribe. Thanks so much. We'll see you again.